Just be out with us to experience authentic cultural Garifuna drumming. We are here at Jaguar Reef, which is located in
Hopkins, which is the heart of the Garifuna culture. Here in Jaguar Reef, they set up these authentic cultural classes, and one of them is Garifuna drumming.
We have published an entire vlog of the property already, and we have experienced authentic Garifuna cooking class. So if you haven't seen those videos, we will leave the link down in the description. So without further ado, let's start drumming.
Good day guys, my name is Shaking, born and raised in Hopkins Village. We play at Jaguar Reef every Saturday. Let me explain to you about the drums a little bit. This here, this is the mahogany. This is the rope. This is the to tighten the drums. Then we have the guitar string, and this is the sheepskin. Underneath you get the sound. So when you play, woo, that's my baby right here. I'm a pro Garifuna, and I will forever be.
My name is Reverend Augustine. I live here in Hopkins. I love my village. This is a segunda. This is a second drum. You know, maracas.
We got the red and black seeds in it. Then we get the stick, and we just strip it in. We glue it. From there, you just dig it.
And this stuff is the calabash.
Yeah, this is the calabash.
The round stuff. Yeah. So that's how it goes.
Garifuna is sweet, guys. Sweet, very sweet. Dig it. Let's go, guys. Dig it. Dig it.
Wow, this authentic Garifuna drumming class was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun. We learned some drum beats, dance. There was a party going on right on the beach. These two talented artists are absolutely fantastic, and they do perform here every Saturday at the Jaguar Reef Lodge as well.
And lucky for us, the 19th, which is tomorrow, is the big Garifuna celebration.
We're gonna party tomorrow.
All hell's going to break loose tomorrow, and we're gonna be in the thick of it, and we're gonna show you exactly what it's all about. We're gonna show you the culture of the Garifuna people right here in Hopkins.
The next day, we woke up at 5 a.m. and headed to the village to join the annual Garifuna Settlement Day celebration. Hopkins is the cultural hub of Belize, and every year, well, besides the last year when COVID hit, they canceled the celebration, but every year they doing the reenactment of Garifuna Settlement. They first came to Belize in 1932, and they were rejected twice. And then on the third time they came, they finally were able to disembark and settle here in Belize.
Yes, and Garifuna is a mixture of African and indigenous people, and they came from St. Vincent.
So they came by boats, paddling. They brought their roots, fruits, their basic necessities, their basic foods with them on the boats. And here they're doing reenactment. They're having boats right now. Of course, it's a motorboat, so they don't have to pedal. But they go back and forth here on the Caribbean Sea alongside the Hopkins coastline, and they're drumming, they're chanting. You can see some plants sticking out of the boats.
Yeah, all the locals are here just lined up on the beach alongside, so they're going to different docks, just going back and forth, as Irina mentioned. It's really awesome. And what's going to happen is they're going to dock right where we are here, and they're going to march their way to the church where they're going to have a ceremony. Now that part we will not be able to film just because they're very religious and sacred in what they do, so it wouldn't be right for us to document that. But when the services are over, they're going to come out, and it's going to be madness here in Hopkins for the entire day. So let the celebration begin, and as usual, just be out with us.
The boats just came in and they told us that they're going towards the church, so everyone from the beach are just walking towards the church. The first Garifuna people arrived in Belize on November 19, 1802, in the town of Dangriga, which is considered to be the spiritual capital of the Belizean Garifuna people. Garifuna Settlement Day is celebrated for the entire week, including parades, live music, drumming, dancing, and prayers. The first landing of the Garifuna is reenacted with boats coming ashore carrying cassava sticks, plantain suckers, and sugar cane, representing the foods the Garifuna people brought with them. Church for their mass. So many cultural immersions here at the Jaguar Reef. We have done traditional Garifuna cooking class. We have covered the entire property. We did a walkthrough, so you get to see what Jaguar Reef has to offer. So as usual, thank you so much for watching, and just be out with us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you. Cheers.